Happy morning, children. A very simple concept I would like to discuss here, reading and writing of a quadrilateral. A quadrilateral can be named by starting at any vertex. See, very important. You can start at any vertex and going serially either clockwise or anti-clockwise around the figure. Now, when writing the names of a quadrilateral, a sign like this sign is there, is put in place of the word quadrilateral. Instead of writing like this quadrilateral, you can use this sign. This symbol can be used. Like this sign you can put in place of the word. So these are the basic concepts you should know. All the time you writing the quadrilateral and making the mistake with the spelling, you can put this sign. The next is when you are, as it is said it, you can start at any vertex. Now, for the quadrilateral, we have discussed that there are 4 vertices. So, here A, B, C, D. 4 vertices are there. You can start at any vertex. So, suppose now I am starting with A. Okay. When I am starting with A, I have, see here, quadrilateral ADCB is written. ADCB. In serial order, it should go ADCB. And when I am saying A, D, C, B. See the arrow is put here. And when you are starting with A, next immediate vertex you are naming is D. Then another vertex C and B. So A, D, C, B. This is the way the arrow has been put. This is called as clockwise. After A, I am taking D. A, D, C, B. Okay. Now, okay. A vertex I have taken and I have named A, D, C, B. A, D, C, B. Next, suppose if I am taking the vertex D, I am starting with this vertex D. So the next will be after D, there is C here. So the next vertex is D, C, D, C, B, A. In order it should go like this. D, C, B, A. It is clockwise. Next, if I am taking C, see here how I am going. I am in order it's going on. See, if it is A, it is A, D, C, B. If it is D, D, C, B, A. Now if it is C, it will be C, B, A, D. And if it is B, now B is left, B, A, D, C. So clockwise it is. So what is being done here? The next, if we are starting with D, it will be C, B, A. If it is C, C, B, A, D. If it is B, B, A, D, C. This way we are naming the. So now, with respect to vertex A, the name of the quadrilateral we have written ADCB. See here, ADCB. How it has gone? See the direction like this. ADCB. That is starting with the DCBA. CBAD. Then BADC. Now they have asked like this. You have to name the quadrilateral starting at any vertex and going anti-clockwise around the figure. So now see, when we are starting with A, the next immediate neighbor, I will say, is D. And we wrote A, D, C, B, and like that we went on and on like this. Now what I'll do, I'll take the vertex A and I will take the next vertex B. Like this. So I have written here and drawn the figure. So I will name the quadrilateral now with respect to vertex A. D I had taken, as I said, A, D, C, B. Now I will take A, B, C, D. This way also I can name with respect to vertex A, B, C, D. And you know all the time we are writing quadrilateral A, B, C, D, A, B, C, D. So purposely they have written here A, D, C, B and they have asked you to name the quadrilateral and going anti-clockwise around the figure. So A, B, C, D. Now if I'll start with B, no, I will take, here D is given, so I will take D. Okay, now when they did D, the next one they took D, C, B, A. Now what I will take? D, A, B, C. Okay, next is CBAD they have taken. CBAD. Now what I will do, I will take CDAB. After that for B, BADC they had taken BADC. So what I will do now, I will take BCDA. This way I will name the quadrilateral, starting at any vertex and going anti-clockwise. So here see, I'll start with A, B, C, D. So I'll just write fast, quadrilateral A, B, C, D. The arrow you can see from A to B, B to C, C to D. Now next quadrilateral name I will write, quadrilateral from this is O now, B, C, D, A. Quadrilateral B, C, D, A. C. B to C, C to D, D to A. Next, quadrilateral from, I'll take C now, C, D, A, B. C, D, A, B. Now which one is left? I will take D now. Quadrilateral D. D, A, B, C. Okay. So now you must have understood when we are naming the quadrilateral, if I am taking starting with the vertex A, I will either take the next vertex D. Okay. Or I will take B. See here. Here it was, if I took A, it was D. And then here, if it was A, I have taken B. So you cannot jump when you are writing the figure is drawn. You cannot jump from A to C. Either it will be AD or it will be AC, AB, C, D. So like this AC, that is wrong. So here also, if I am taking B, the next vertex is BA. And here BC. So BA or next is BC. So you cannot jump to D. You cannot name it like this, starting with A, B and then here D. No, it has to be C, A, B, C, D. Now if you see C, vertex C, the next here is CB, AD. And here it is CDAB. CDAB. CB or here CD. The next immediate. So you cannot take this vertex immediately. The next should be either D or B. So the last one is D. For D it will be A or next will be C. So here C. D, C. Here D, C. And here D, A. D, A. So I told you D, A or here D, C. So you cannot jump directly. D, A, B, C it can be. Or it can be D, C, B, A. But you cannot take after D immediately B cannot be taken. This concept should be understood by you, because we are going to construct quadrilateral. You have to draw quadrilateral. You have to name the quadrilaterals. If you are going to name the quadrilateral in a wrong way, it means you have not understood the meaning of how to read the quadrilateral, how to write the quadrilateral, how to name the quadrilateral. So this is the fundamental thing, how to draw, how to make each one of us understand how to name the quadrilateral. First should be your name. No, our name is our identity. So for geometrical figures, their names are their identities. So if the name is wrong, full concept goes wrong. Instead of segment, if you will write angle, it will go wrong only. So you should know this fundamental concept very clearly, how to write the names of the quadrilateral.